Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the string yes as the input, and then it must decrypt the string and print the desired output. So our first step is to split the string yes into equal halves of length 5. And then our second step is to, for each character in the substring, we must replace the lowercase with the 0 and the uppercase with 1. And then our third step is to convert the binary formed into decimal, and our fourth step is to print the corresponding character as the output. So for example, if we have 0, it represents A, and if it is 1, it represents B, and if it is 2, or if it is 25, it represents Z, and then if it is 26, it represents dot, and then if we have 27, then it represents comma, and then if it is 28, it is quotes, and then if it is 29, it is question mark, and if it is 30, it is single quote, and then if it is 31, it is double quotes. So first we are going to accept the string yes and decrypt the string and print the desired output. So our first step is to split the string yes into equal halves of length 5, and for each character in the substring replace the lowercase with 0 and uppercase with 1, and convert the binary formed into decimal, and we have to print the corresponding character as our output. So these numbers will give the corresponding characters. Now we'll take our test case. So our first step is to divide the string yes into equal halves of length 5. So here we'll replace the lowercase alphabet with zeros and uppercase with 1. And here we have 4 uppercase, so it is 4 1 and 1 0. And here it is 0 0 1 1 0. Now this binary represents the number 3, and this binary represents 14, and this represents 6. Now we have to look for the corresponding character for these numbers. So for 3, we'll have the character D, because for B it is 1, C it is 2, so for D it is 3. So our first character would be D, and then for 14 it is O, and for 6 it is G. So this will be our output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First we are going to accept the input, the string yes, and then after this we are going to have a list called as decrypt, where we'll have all the characters from A to Z, and additionally we'll have some special characters like dot, comma, and we have a space and then question mark and slash and then slash and a double quote. So now we have these characters, and these are the special characters which will be additionally there in the decrypt list. So here the characters will be converted to the ASCII value by using chr function, and for ASCII in range 97, 123. So we are going to iterate over the ASCII values. So 97, so we have 96 for A and then 122 for Z. So we are iterating from 97 to 123, and for each ASCII value we'll be having the corresponding character, and additionally we'll have some special characters also. So after this we are going to we'll iterate over and split, that is we'll iterate from 0 to len of s with step count as 5, as we have to split with the length of 5. And after splitting, if the substring, that is s of, so here we have to iterate over index, and if the substring is equal to s of index colon index plus 5, then we'll have the empty string, binary string, and for ch, that is for character in the substring, if the character is in lowercase, then we'll append 0 to the binary string, and if the character is in uppercase, then we are going to append 1 with the binary string, and after getting the binary string filled, we must convert this binary string to corresponding character, right? So for that we'll use the function that is int of binary string comma 2. So this will give us the corresponding character, and finally we'll print the decrypt list, the num, the corresponding num. So this will give us the correct output.